So it's summertime now, which means it is finally haunted house audition season. And I thought, since there's going to be a lot of new haunters coming into the industry this year, as there always is every year, about giving you 3 tips of mine to help you get started in this industry. I've been haunting for 15 years at Asylum 49 in Tooele, Utah. I started out as an actor. I moved through makeup. I did social media. So actually, I'm still currently doing that. I also now am running our makeup team. And I've done just about everything you could do at a haunt. Here's some tips for some new haunters coming in, getting your first audition, and all of that. This is going to be a bit of a longer video, so if you need to, make sure you hit the little fast forward button, or you hold the, you know what to do. You can feel free to fast forward it, share it with your friends. If you have any tips of your own, drop them in the comments. And also, if you want to see more tip videos like this, let me know and I'll make more. Anyway, number 1, your friends probably told you about how much fun haunting is. And it is. But it's also a lot of work. And you will be using your whole body, your voice. You'll be going home exhausted every single night you act. But if you're prepared for that, and you should be, bring a water bottle, bring cough drops or hard candies, things like that. Maybe bring some ibuprofen or other medicine for headaches and stuff like that. It'll be absolutely worth it, and you will love it. Next, know the rules of your haunt and follow them. Every haunt has a different way of delivering those rules to you. I've seen cast meetings are very common. Sometimes they'll do a handbook. Sometimes they'll have like a Facebook group or a Discord or something like that where you can find the rules and all your information there. Make sure you read through that. Don't be one of those people that come in and ignore the handbook and like toss it in the trash every year or whatever. Learn your security codes. Those are very, very, very important. Every haunt does security differently. Learn what you need to do if something does go wrong. A good example is, and this isn't a serious rule, but it's a rule I see broken a lot. My haunt, we have a rule where an actor can only go one room against the flow of traffic. That's to stop you from ever getting caught off guard by customers. So like if you're in the room here, the customer is coming into your room and you go into the room behind you where your friend is, well, you're now you've missed the customer and you've missed the scare. And yeah, follow the rules. And my 3rd tip, really, really simple. There is going to be drama. It's going to happen. It's an industry with a lot of teenagers, young adults, and a lot of passion and emotion behind it. There's going to be drama. Drama is a fact of life. No matter where you go, haunts are no different. Do yourself a favor, though, and try to distance yourself from it. You don't need to get caught up in it. You don't need to get involved. All it's going to do is cause you to have a worse time. Obviously, if something really is happening, something that's really, really bad, make sure you report that to the proper people. And if it's too bad, feel free to leave. There are plenty of haunts that will accommodate you better. But stay out of the petty drama stuff. It's going to make your time there miserable. I've had plenty of friends that have left haunting completely over the years, despite the fact that they loved it, just because of petty drama and dumb, dumb high school antics. And it's not worth it. You're going to remember those good parts way more than you remember any of the drama or any of this stuff. Just stay out of it. Do yourself the favor. All right. And I'm going to throw in one last tip. It's kind of mentioned in the first one, but have fun with it. This is a lot of work. There's a lot of stuff that goes into it. There's a lot of passion and all of that. But don't take yourself too seriously. Don't take it too seriously. Obviously, like, come and be professional and do what's asked of you. But have fun with it. It's fun. We're scaring people. And I can't think of any way to spend the October season more fun than scaring the piss out of someone.